नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो? Hope that you all are fine. I welcome you all to today's online class. In our previous class, we were learning अर्थ के आधार पर वाक्यों के भेद. And we found that there are 8 kinds of sentence. And it is a विधानवाचक, प्रश्नवाचक, विस्मयादिवाचक, संकेतवाचक, आज्ञावाचक, निषेधवाचक and इच्छावाचक. And we also learned the explanation of these sentences. Today we are going to learn the Rupantaran, the transformation. This is very important topic, and all should listen carefully how you will transform the different sentences. In this class, we will learn that how we are going to transform each and everything. Okay, so you have to keep your notebook with you, and you have to take down the notes also when I am saying, and you have to try the exercise also. Okay, so we will move on to our lesson. So, Vakya Parivartan. So Vakya Parivartan, as 8 sentences are there, 8 kinds of sentences are there, and we are learning how to identify and how to transform them. Vakya Parivartan means to change the sentences. So here अर्थ के आधार पर वाक्य परिवर्तन we are going to learn, and how we will do it, let us see. And this first one is Vidhanvachak. How we are going to change Vidhanvachak to Nishedvachak. Okay, so when you are changing this one, you have to use nahi there. Okay, so see the example here. Megha ne geet gaya. When we change it into Nishedvachak, it is Megha ne geet nahi gaya. Nahi is done. Okay. So, see the explanation here. यदि किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य को निषेधवाचक वाक्य में बदलना हो तो उसमें क्रिया शब्द से पहले नहीं जोड़ दीजिए. What is it? If you want to make a sentence to negative sentence, then what you have to do? You have to use the word nahi in front of the verb. Okay, यदि किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य को निषेधवाचक वाक्य में बदलना हो तो उसमें क्रिया शब्द से पहले, you have to remember that before the kriya shabd you have to use nahi there. So we saw the example. See, let us see again. See the example again. Megha ne geet gaya is vidhanvachak, and if it is nishedvachak, how it is done? Gaya is the kriya there. So before that nahi is used. So Megha ne geet nahi gaya. Like this you can transform the Vidhanvachak to Nishedvachak. Let us see the second one. So next one, if you want to change to Vismayadi Bodhak Vakya, how we are going to do? Let us see. किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य में विस्मय वाचक वाक्य बनाना चाहते हैं तो वाक्य के आरंभ में विस्मय बोधक शब्द जोड़ दीजिए और जोड़ दें. So विस्मय बोधक शब्द, which are that विस्मय बोधक शब्द? that we have learned hi, are, ho, like that. So kisi any sentence you have to change into Vismay Bodhak, you have to use the exclamation words like ah, are, va, chi, like that. So all kinds of expressional words you have to use. Now see the example. Megha ne geet gaya is the sentence which we have taken that. So when we have to make it Vismay Bodhak, what Vismay Vachak, what we will do? Are va. We are using are va, that exclamation. Megha ne geet gaya, expression. So are va, megha ne geet gaya. So when we are using the expression, that time it becomes Vismay Vachak Vakya. Okay, next. And if we want to make it as Sandeh Vachak, what is used? यदि किसी विधान वाचक वाक्य को संदेह वाचक वाक्य में बदलना हो तो उसके आरंभ में शायद संभवतः हो सकता है संदेह बोधक शब्दों का जोड़ दीजिए. See, these are the Sandeh Vachak. Means in English we are using might be, like that. Maybe, may and might we are using the same way. You can you have to use here those words like shayad, sambhavta, which means that may. Okay, these if you are using these words, then it becomes Sandeh Vachak. We will see the example. See the sentence. प्रधानमंत्री जी कल इलाहाबाद जाएंगे. प्रधानमंत्री will go to Allahabad tomorrow. So if you are making it Sandeh Vachak, what is then? You in the first शायद is used. See, शायद प्रधानमंत्री जी कल इलाहाबाद जाएंगे. Maybe प्रधानमंत्री going. May go. प्रधानमंत्री may go, like that. तो शायद प्रधानमंत्री जी कल इलाहाबाद जाएंगे. Then it becomes संदेहवाचक. Next one. यदि किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य को आज्ञावाचक वाक्य में बदलना चाहते हैं तो उस वाक्य को आदेशात्मक या आज्ञाकारी शब्दों से जोड़ दीजिए. लाइक जाता है, इन प्लेस ऑफ जाता है यू यूज जाओ. जा रहा है जाएं. सी, जाता है विल बिकम जाओ. जा रहा है विल बिकम जाएं. When you have to make it an आज्ञाकारी वाचक, आज्ञावाचक, that is means order or command, that time जाता है will become जाओ. जा रहे हैं will become जाए. Earlier we learned that when आज्ञावाचक is became the forms of जाइए, जाते हैं, जाइए, जाएंगे, like that. So जा रहे हैं will become जाएं and जाता है will become जाओ. Okay. See the example here. मोहन विद्यालय जाता है. मजदूर अपने अपने काम पर जा रहे हैं. This is the विधानवाचक वाक्य. Now we have to make it आज्ञावाचक. How you will make first one is मोहन विद्यालय जाए. मोहन विद्यालय जा रहा है will become मोहन विद्यालय जाए या मोहन विद्यालय जाओ. Go to school, like that. देन मजदूर अपने अपने काम पर जाएं. See, जाएं it has become. जाओ and जाएं. विद्यालय जाता है, ऑर्डर इट बिकम्स विद्यालय जाओ और विद्यालय जाएं. मजदूर काम पर जाता है बिकेम जाएं. मजदूर काम पर जाएं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Here we have used जाएं, जाओ, जाएं. See that? यदि किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य को संकेतवाचक वाक्य बनाना हो तो वाक्य में जिसके कहने पर कोई कार्य हो रहा है उसे ऐसे लिखें. यदि वह कहता है, यदि वह कहे, यदि वह कहेगा. सो संकेतवाचक वी आर यूजिंग यदि, यद्यपि. यदि वह कहता है, यदि वह कहेगा, यदि वह करेगा, like that. So if you are using यदि, then it will become संकेतवाचक. See, it points out that something has to be done. Okay, so when you are using यदि वह कहता, यदि वह कहे या यदि वह कहेगा, that time it is संकेतवाचक. Now example. Example here is मामा जी के कहने पर मैं शहर जाऊंगा. It is विधानवाचक. मामा जी के कहने पर मैं शहर जाऊंगा. So when it becomes संकेतवाचक, what it will become? यदि मामा जी कहेंगे. See, मामा जी कहेंगे पर मैं शहर जाऊंगा. मामा जी के कहे पर या कहने पर मैं शहर जाऊंगा. So that कहे पर या कहने पर becomes कहेंगे तो. यदि and तो is coming there. So यदि मामा जी कहेंगे तो, so कहने will become कहेंगे. So chance has come there. If Mama ji is saying, then I will go. So यदि मामा जी कहेंगे तो मैं शहर जाऊंगा. Now if we want to make इच्छावाचक, how it is done? If यदि किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य को इच्छावाचक वाक्य में बदलना हो तो क्रिया में चाहिए जोड़ा जाता है तो इच्छा या कामना पूरा होता है या बदल जाता है. So चाहिए when we are using it becomes इच्छा. यदि किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य को इच्छा वाचक वाक्य बनाना है या बदलना है तो क्रिया में चाहिए जोड़ा जाता है. So we will use चाहिए in the verb. So how you will do it? Let us see. See the example. वह जाता है, मुझे खजुराहो के मंदिर देखने की इच्छा है. वह जाता है and मुझे खजुराहो के मंदिर देखने की इच्छा है. How we can transform it? See, वह जाता है will become उसे जाना चाहिए, इच्छावाचक. And when मुझे खजुराहो देखने की इच्छा है, how it will be right? काश मैं खजुराहो के मंदिर देख पाता. So there इच्छावाचक. See, he want to see that. So there exclamation and kash word, kash has come. So I have a great desire to see the Khajuraho temple. So you can write like this. Next one. If you want to make a sentence प्रश्नवाचक, how it is? यदि किसी विधानवाचक वाक्य को प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य में बदलना हो तो विधानवाचक वाक्य में क्या, कहाँ, कब, कैसे, किसको, किसकी आदि प्रश्नवाचक शब्दों को जोड़ दिया जाता है. See, if you want to make a question interrogatory sentence, how you will make you will use the question marks there, isn't it? So here in Prashnavachak you have to use the words like kya, kaha, kab, kaise, kisko, kiski. All these are questions, asking questions. Okay, so when we are changing it, you have to use all these things to make a Prashnavachak Vakya. We will see an example. माँ ने खाना बना लिया है. How it will become? क्या माँ ने खाना बना लिया है? Question mark. क्या माँ खाना बना लिया है will become क्या माँ ने खाना बना लिया है. Okay, we are using क्या there. और next, माँ ने कब खाना बनाया. कब माँ ने खाना बनाया. कब also you can use. कब माँ खाना बनाया या माँ ने कब खाना बनाया. कब is there, so then question mark. Okay, see, once again we will go through this how it is transformed, okay, in a better way. See, vidhanvachak vakya to and another side nishedvachak vakya. The example is Vinod padta hai. So the nishedvachak, how it will become? Vinod nahi padta hai. In the second sentence, what we have used? See, in this that other sentence, in nishedvachak vakya, we have used nahi there. It become nakaratmak or negative. So this nahi is negative. That is pointing out the nahi. So no. So Vinod padta hai, Vinod nahi padta hai. So when it is nishedvachak, nahi is used. Nahi is the negative there. Okay. Next. So from now, second one is vidhanvachak vakya se vismayvachak vakya banana. So how it is transformed? See now the example. दीपू तैर लेता है. विस्मयवाचक. We are making vismayvachak, exclamation. So how vismay will come? क्या दीपू तैर लेता है? Expression is coming there. So क्या, the exclamative mark is coming there. So दीपू तैर लेता है. क्या दीपू तैर लेता है? See here, क्या is the exclamation. Okay, आश्चर्य सूचक. Surprise. Just क्या दीपू तैर लेता है? Like that, the expression of surprise is coming. So it is vismayvachak vakya. Okay. Now from vidhanvachak to sandehvachak, how it is transformed? See the example. See, संजीव नहा रहा है. शायद संजीव नहा रहा है. संदेह. I told no that sandeha shayad is used. So here the main thing we used is shayad, sandeha ka bhav. So sandeha means doubt. You don't know whether he is doing or not, whether father is there or not. You are saying shayad पिताजी घर में है. So संजीव नहा रहा है. शायद संजीव नहा रहा है. या संदेह is coming. Doubt is coming. You don't know. So that expression is shayad. So shayad is used for sandeh vachak. Now see the next one. Now to prashnavachak vakya. The examples let us see. माँ खाना बनाएगी. माँ खाना कब बनाएगी? Here which is the question? See, कब we have used. Either you can use it in the front or in the center. See, kab. When we are using kya, it will become in the front. So here it is in the center. So माँ खाना बनाएगी. माँ खाना कब बनाएगी? When? Mother will cook the food when. So प्रश्न पूछने का भाव is coming there. So asking question, the more is coming there. Asking question. From this we understand that someone is asking question. So माँ खाना बनाएगी. माँ खाना कब बनाएगी? Okay, so the when something is being asked, so that time कब is or कब or क्या, क्यों, like that is used. Okay. Now विधानवाचक to आज्ञावाचक. Let us see the example. See the example here. माली पौधा सींचता है. माली पौधा सींचे. Command is coming there. सींचे. आज्ञा देने का भाव. Command. सींचे. माली पानी सींचता है. Is the simple one. माली पौधा सींचता है. Simple one. And when माली पौधा सींचे. माली पानी सींचे. This आज्ञा is coming. Agya bhav is coming. So that time it will become आज्ञावाचक. माली पानी सींचे या माली पानी सींचो. Like that आज्ञा is coming. Okay. Next. Now from विधानवाचक to संकेतवाचक. Let us see the example. अध्यापिका के कहने पर मीरा दूसरी जगह बैठ जाएगी. यदि अध्यापिका कहे तो मीरा दूसरी जगह बैठ जाएगी. Here which is the संकेत one? See now. See the sentence is अध्यापिका के कहने पर मीरा दूसरी जगह बैठ जाएगी. अदर सेंटेंस. यदि अध्यापिका कहे तो मीरा दूसरी जगह बैठ जाएगी. यदि is coming there. The संकेत is coming. Okay. So that becomes संकेतवाचक. Yadi is used there. I told you that which one you have to use. Yadi, yadipi, like that. So yadi is there. Yadi adhyapika. If is used, that time it will become sanketvachak. Yadi is if. So if adhyapika is saying, she will sit there. Okay. So this way we can change to sanketvachak. Next example. Now vidhanvachak to ichhavachak. How we are going to do? See the example here. दादी जी टहलती है. दादी जी टहलती है is the sentence. So next, दादी जी को टहलना चाहिए. इच्छावाचक. Like. Okay. Here चाहिए is coming. So इच्छा का भाव प्रकट होता है. So इच्छा means like is coming. Wish is coming. दादी जी टहलती हैं. दादी जी को टहलना चाहिए. Wish. We are wishing that Dadi should go for a walk. So when that wish is coming, that wish expression is coming, that time it will become इच्छावाचक. So चाहिए is being used. टहलती है, टहलना चाहिए. है is removed and चाहिए is introduced. So टहलना चाहिए. This way you can make it as इच्छावाचक. Children, we will revise the 8 sentences again, and do some exercises and we will learn how to transform the sentence. Okay, so you learned that 8 kinds of sentences are there. अर्थ के आधार पर वाक्य के 8 भेद होते हैं. A slight spelling mistake there. So 8 भेद, 8 sentences. So which are they? विधानवाचक वाक्य. First one is विधानवाचक वाक्य. So what is it? It is simple sentence. So next one is निषेधवाचक वाक्य. What did I say about निषेधवाचक? निषेधवाचक means it is no, निषेध. By the meaning itself we can understand it is निषेध. So it is negative sentence. Next comes आज्ञावाचक वाक्य. By meaning we can understand that it is agya, and agya means command or order. So आज्ञावाचक वाक्य is command giving sentence. Next is प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. So प्रश्नवाचक same meaning. By meaning we can understand it. So it is question or interrogative sentence. Okay, so move on to the next one. Next is संदेहवाचक वाक्य. संदेह means not sure, doubt. So it is संदेहवाचक when there is doubt. Then इच्छावाचक वाक्य. It is wish, giving wish or having wish or greetings, blessings, everything. So that is इच्छावाचक वाक्य. Seventh one is संकेतवाचक वाक्य. संकेतवाचक means when there is a shart or there is a condition. If you are doing this, then only that will happen. So like that. So it is condition. A condition is made in that sentence. The last one is विस्मयादि बोधक or विस्मयादिवाचक वाक्य. So that is surprise or exclamation is coming there. So these are the 8 sentences. Don't forget what is the meaning of it. And you can find out. If you understand the meaning properly, then you can find out the sentences. Okay. So we move on to the next step, next topic. So next one is how we are going to recognize the sentence. How can we recognize a sentence? वाक्य को कैसे पता कर सकते हैं? So how you are going to recognize? So we will find out how. I had already explained this, but still as a revision we will see once again in a short form. With first one we will take विधानवाचक. विधानवाचक वाक्य. वाक्य जिसमें कर्म होने का पता चलता है. The sentence which tells us that there is a work is going on or a work is being done. Like राधा ने खाना खाया और राधा ने खाना राधा खाना खा रही है और राधा ने खाना खाया। सो राधा ने खाना खाया और राधा खाना खा रही है। बोथ आर विधानवाचक वाक्य। Okay, so what is it? When the work is, it suggests that there is a work done. So here work is what, the verb is what? Khana, khana. See, khana means, khana is food, khana is kha. Kha means eat. राधा खाना खा रही है. So work is there mentioned. So it is vidhanvachak. Next one. Next we will take nishedvachak. So meaning itself is saying nishedh means no. So वाक्य जिसमें किसी कार्य का ना होने का बोध हो. When the sentence says that work has not done or work is not to be done, not going to do the work. So वाक्य में किसी कार्य का ना होने का बोध हो. Both means we know, we recognize or we know when we understand. Both means understand. When we understand that there is no work done. So that is called nishedvachak. So example, राधा खाना नहीं खा रही है या नहीं खाएगी. राधा खाना नहीं खा रही है या राधा खाना नहीं खाएगी. Both way you can write. So this was about nishedvachak. Now next is agyavachak. Agya is order. Okay. So किसी का आदेश, किसी वाक्य में आदेश का पता चलता है या किसी वाक्य से आदेश का पता चलता है. See how the sentence राधा खाना खाओ. राधा खाना खाओ. So आज्ञा is given. बेटा चुप रहो. बेटा खाना खाओ. बेटा कॉपी लिखो. पढ़ाई करो. All these are आज्ञा. So you understood now how you are finding it out. So we move on to the next. Now comes prashnavachak. Prashn is question, as I told you. So how you will understand? जब वाक्य में प्रश्न का सूचना मिलता है या किसी प्रश्न का पूछे जाने का पता चलता है. When in a sentence a question is asked or we understand that there is a question asking, so we can understand it is prashnavachak. Example, क्या राधा ने खाना खाया या क्या राधा खाना खाएगी. Both way you can ask. क्या राधा खाना खाएगी या राधा ने कब खाना खाया. So there is a mistake there. So राधा ने कब खाना खाया. In place of कथम it is कब. So राधा ने कब खाना खाया. So क्या and कब both are question. Okay. So next, संदेहवाचक. डाउट. जब किसी का संदेह होता है किसी वाक्य में संदेह का पता चलता है। सीधा एग्जाम्पल, शायद राधा खाना खाएगी। So it is not sure whether she will eat or not. So it is shayad. Radha khana khayegi. Maybe sometimes you can eat like that. Next is ichhavachak. Ichha, I told that your wish or your like or like that. Blessings like that. So जब किसी वाक्य में इच्छा या आशीर्वाद का पता चलता है, आशीर्वाद देना, ब्लेसिंग्स. सो व्हेन ब्लेसिंग्स और लाइक्स आर मेंशन्ड इन द सेंटेंस, इट इज इच्छावाचक. लाइक भगवान तुम्हारे भला करे. सो इट इज अ ब्लेसिंग. नेक्स्ट वन, राधा को खाना खा लेना चाहिए. खा लेना चाहिए. सो राधा should have eaten, taken her food. So it is like this. Okay, भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे, राधा को खाना खा लेना चाहिए. Like that you can make out. Now the seventh one, it is sanket vachak. So sanket, already we can understand that there is a condition. So जब किसी वाक्य में संकेत का बोध होता है किसी दूसरे वाक्य के द्वारा, किसी वाक्य में दूसरे वाक्य के संकेत देते हुए बताया जाता है या शर्त का पता चलता है, कंडीशन. सो दैट इज संकेत वाचक. सो नाउ आंसर इज, एग्जाम्पल इज, यदि तुम खाना खा लेती तो बीमार ना होती. If you would have taken food, you wouldn't have been ill. So now the last one, विस्मयादि बोधक या विस्मयादि वाचक. So what is it? जिसमें विस्मय का पता चलता है. स्मॉल मिस्टेक देयर. सो विस्मय का पता चलता है या आश्चर्य का पता चलता है. When surprise is mentioned. So how? क्या राधा ने खाना खा लिया? So it is surprising. It gives a surprise. Then अरे यह क्या? That also surprise. So what is the sign over there? Exclamation sign. So you have to put that sign when you are writing Vismayadi Vachak. Okay, now we will try to do some exercises and how we will transform, that we will learn. Now the likely question coming is like this. इन वाक्यों का रूपांतरण कीजिए और वाक्य रूपांतरण कैसे कर सकते हैं. Or in some other way also it may come. So likely, mainly like this it comes. इन वाक्यों का रूपांतरण कीजिए और नीचे लिखे वाक्यों का रूपांतरण कीजिए, like that. So the sentences we will take first. So first sentence is राम खाना खा रहा है. Ram is eating food. सरला गीत गाती है. सरला is singing song. अध्यापक कक्षा में गए. The teachers have gone to the classes. बच्चा हंस रहा है. The child is laughing. दीपक जल रहा है. नेक्स्ट, मैं परीक्षा में प्रथम आया, संजू विद्यालय जाता है, बच्चे शोर मचा रहे हैं. These sentences are there, 8 sentences are there. So in this, what you have to do is, you have to transform the sentences. So how to transform? See, each sentences, 8 sentences are there. You have to take you have to take one sentence, and that you have to change into all the 7. So one is Vidhan Vachak. So rest 7 sentences you have to make. Transform into all the 7. Vidhan Vachak is, this is Vidhan Vachak. So next what will be there? Ichha Vachak, Vismaya Vachak, Prashna Vachak, then Agya Vachak. Like that you have to make each sentence. So we will take one example, and I am going to take a second sentence. Sarla Geet Gati hai. That sentence we will change it to all the forms, all the kinds of sentences that we will change. So Sarla Geet Gati hai, we will take the sentence. See, here the sentence we have taken, Sarla Geet Gati hai. So we will change one by one. So first sentence you see, क्या सरला गीत गाती है? There is a question mark there. So क्या सरला गीत गाती है? It is प्रश्नवाचक. Next, सरला गीत गाओ. Sarla Git Gao. What it is? It is Agyavachak, because order is giving. Next, क्या सरला गीत गाती है? क्या सरला गीत गाती है? That way. It is Vismay. So see, Vismay sign is there. So Vismayadi Vachak. So Sarla Geet Gao. Agya, it is, order is given. And kya Sarla Geet Gati hai? Enquiring about it. So next we will go to the other kinds of sentences. See this sentence now. Kash Sarla Geet Gati. So we are saying Kash. We are having the inner feeling that she, why can't she sing a song? We want to listen, sing her singing. So we are saying Kash Sarla Geet Gati. We wish, that is way we are making. Or else you can make like this. Sarla ko geet gana chahiye. We had learned that when we are using chahiye, it is Ichhavachak. So सरला को गीत गाना चाहिए. We express our wish. So that's why we are using चाहिए there. So next one you see, शायद सरला गीत गाएगी. शायद सरला गीत गाएगी. So what kind of sentence is it? It is संदेहवाचक. Okay. So now next one, यदि तुम कहो तो सरला गीत गाएगी. See how one condition is there. If you had told, Sarla would have sing. So it is संकेतवाचक. यदि तुम कहो तो सरला गीत गाती. So that is the Sanketwachak. Now what is the another one? Nishedvachak Vakya. What is Nished? How you will change that one? You are using a Nahi there. So Sarla Geet Nahi Gaegi. Sarla is not going to sing a song. So that is Nishedvachak Vakya. Okay. Now we transformed all the 8 way. So let us see once again what all things we did. See first what is it? First one is Prashnavachak. The sentence is Vidhanvachak. So now one is over. Next Prashnavachak, Agyavachak, Vismayadivachak, Ichhavachak, then Sandehvachak, Sanketvachak and Nishedvachak. So now 8 sentence over. So this way you have to change the sentences. The sentences which they have given in this, see which are the sentences. See, these are the sentences. वाक्य रूपांतरण कैसे कर सकते हैं? So these are the sentences. राम खाना खा रहा है. सरला गीत गाती. सरला I have done, so no need of doing that one. So अध्यापक कक्षा में गए. बच्चा हंस रहा है. दीपक जल रहा है. मैं परीक्षा में प्रथम आया. संजू विद्यालय जाता है. बच्चे शोर मचा रहे हैं. So these are the 7 sentences that you have to change. Don't forget one sentence and all the other forms. Okay, so you have to do like this. The next likely question is coming like this. See, this kind of sentence will be given and you have to mark which is which sentence. So first one, the previous, that is before you studied, sentence was given and that you have to change from Vidhanvachak to Prashnavachak or from Vidhanvachak to Agyavachak, like that. So next, here the question is, नीचे दिए गए वाक्यों को पहचानिए और बताइए कौन सा वाक्य है. Here you have to find out which kind of sentence is it. Okay, so first sentence is वर्षा हो रही है. You have to find out whether it is विधानवाचक, प्रश्नवाचक, आज्ञावाचक और like that. Okay, second one, क्या शाम फेल हो गया. थर्ड, बच्चों तुम सब घर जाओ. फोर्थ, तुम घर कब आओगे. नेक्स्ट, तुम्हारी यात्रा मंगलमय हो. शायद मेरे पिताजी कल आएंगे. सेवेंथ वन, यदि तुम जल्दी आते तो बस मिलता. एट्थ, मैं घर नहीं जाऊंगा. So these are the sentences that you have to find out which kind of sentence is it. And previous one was that you have to change into. See, I'll show once again. These sentences you have to change, make another sentence like Vidhanvachak and all, Agyavachak and all. You have to change these sentences. For these 4 and previous 4, so total 8, total 7. Sarla, we did it. So these are the sentences that you have to change to other sentences, and these sentences you have to find out which is which. Like नीचे दिए गए वाक्यों को पहचानिए और बताइए कौन सा वाक्य है. So you have to find it out and you have to write it in your notebook. Okay. So children, hope that you have understood this topic very well. We did the revision also in this, and we transformed different sentences to each other, like Vidhan to Vismay, and Vismay to Vidhan, and Agya, like that. So you have to practice it and do it. Okay. And if possible, you, as an assignment, you can make your own sentence and differentiate each. Okay, you will do it now. Then we will meet in our next class. Until then, have a nice day and have a wonderful Onam to you people. In this situation, we know that we cannot celebrate Onam as we were celebrating early, but still Onam is our state festival and we have to celebrate it. So, happy Onam to you people.